Okay, so normally a Rubik's Cube is solved one layer at a time. As you can see, I have a Rubik's Cube here with one layer solved. Then we have a Rubik's Cube with 2 layers solved. And finally, we have a Rubik's Cube with 3 layers solved. I'm going to be solving it one side at a time. Go. Got the white side. Let's move on to the green side. Here we go, we got the green side. Let's move on to the red side. Red over here. Got the red side. Green side needs to be restored. And we have 3 pieces left to solve. I think that was 3 pieces. And now we have red side, white side, and green side solved. Now we just need to edge flip coin chair, and we are done.